Fermented sauerkraut. Benefits and tips for a healthy you. Fermented sauerkraut is more than just a tangy side dish. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that can help you maintain a healthy lifestyle. With its popularity as a fermented food on the rise, sauerkraut is gaining recognition for its numerous benefits. In this blog post, we will explore the many advantages of incorporating sauerkraut into your diet and provide you with some tips on how to do it effectively. The nutritional powerhouse of sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is packed with vitamins, minerals, and beneficial bacteria that promote good digestion, boost your immune system, and may even aid in weight loss. It can also help reduce stress, support brain health, and lower the risk of certain cancers. Additionally, sauerkraut contributes to stronger bones and promotes heart health. Incorporating sauerkraut into your diet. How can you make sauerkraut a regular part of your diet? Whether you add it to salads, sandwiches, or even smoothies, sauerkraut can add a flavorful and nutritious twist to your favorite dishes. Join us as we dive into the world of fermented sauerkraut and discover how it can benefit your overall well-being. Get ready to explore the endless possibilities of this humble fermented food and unlock its potential for a healthier you. Are you ready to embark on this sauerkraut-filled journey? Let's get started. Why sauerkraut is considered a superfood. Fermented sauerkraut is not only delicious, but also packed with numerous nutritional benefits that can contribute to a healthy diet. Let's explore some of the key reasons why sauerkraut is considered a superfood. Sauerkraut is a rich source of essential vitamins and minerals. Vitamin C, known for its immune-boosting properties and role in collagen production. Vitamin K, crucial for blood clotting and bone health. Vitamin B6, supports brain function and helps convert food into energy. Fermented sauerkraut, a tasty addition to your weight loss journey. Sauerkraut, a traditional fermented food, can be a delicious and healthy addition to your weight loss diet. Not only is sauerkraut low in calories, but it also boasts a high fiber content, making it a great choice for those looking to shed a few pounds. Fiber is known to keep you feeling full for longer, preventing overeating and unnecessary snacking throughout the day. Studies and research have supported the weight loss benefits of sauerkraut. A study published in the journal Food and Function found that the probiotics in fermented foods like sauerkraut can contribute to weight loss by improving gut health. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for maintaining a healthy weight as it affects digestion, nutrient absorption, and metabolism. Incorporating sauerkraut into your weight loss diet is easy and delicious. You can add it to salads, sandwiches, wraps, or even enjoy it as a side dish. Its tangy flavor and crunchy texture can elevate any meal while providing numerous health benefits. Additionally, sauerkraut pairs well with lean proteins like grilled chicken or fish, adding a burst of flavor without adding excess calories. To make the most of sauerkraut's weight loss benefits, it's important to choose high-quality, fermented sauerkraut. Look for varieties that are naturally fermented and free from added sugars or preservatives. You can also try making your own sauerkraut at home using cabbage, salt, and water. This allows you to control the ingredients and fermentation process, ensuring a healthy and delicious final product. The health benefits of sauerkraut. Reducing stress with probiotics. Sauerkraut contains probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that can help regulate cortisol levels and reduce stress. Probiotics have been found to have a positive impact on mental health, including reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression, promoting brain health with nutrients. Sauerkraut is rich in B vitamins, which are essential for the production of neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine. Neurotransmitters play a crucial role in regulating mood, sleep, and overall brain function. Consuming sauerkraut can support the production of these important neurotransmitters and promote better mental well-being. Sauerkraut is also a good source of short-chain fatty acids, such as butyrate, which have neuroprotective properties and can improve cognitive function. Short-chain fatty acids may also reduce inflammation in the brain, which is linked to various neurological disorders. Benefits of sauerkraut for heart health. Sauerkraut is high in dietary fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels and reduces the risk of heart disease. disease. Sauerkraut contains compounds called glucosinolates, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a known risk factor for heart disease. Sauerkraut is a good source of antioxidants, which protect the heart from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. The fermentation process involved in making sauerkraut produces beneficial probiotics that improve gut health. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. Sauerkraut can be a valuable addition to your diet for stronger bones due to its calcium content. Remember to combine it with other calcium-rich foods to ensure you're meeting your daily calcium needs. Enjoy sauerkraut as a side dish or incorporate it into your favorite recipes to reap its many health benefits. Choosing sauerkraut. Check the labels for quality and ingredients. Look for sauerkraut made with just cabbage, salt, and water. Avoid sauerkraut with additives or preservatives. Opt for refrigerated sauerkraut over shelf-stable for more beneficial bacteria. Making sauerkraut at home. If you're interested in making sauerkraut at home, DIY fermentation can be a fun and rewarding process. Here's a basic sauerkraut recipe to try. Ingredients: 1 head of cabbage, 1 tablespoon of salt. Shred the cabbage finely and place it in a large bowl. Sprinkle salt over the cabbage and massage it with your hands for a few minutes until the cabbage becomes wilted and releases liquid. Pack the cabbage into a clean jar, pressing it down firmly to remove any air pockets. Ensure that the cabbage is completely submerged in its own liquid. Cover the jar with a lid or a cloth and let it ferment at room temperature for about 1 to 4 weeks, depending on your desired taste. Once the sauerkraut is ready, transfer it to the refrigerator to slow down the fermentation process. It will continue to develop flavor over time. Remember, the key to successful sauerkraut fermentation is patience. The longer you ferment, the tangier and more complex the flavor will be. Experiment with different seasonings and vegetables to customize your sauerkraut to your taste. By following these tips for choosing and using sauerkraut, you can ensure that you're getting the most out of this delicious and nutritious fermented food. Whether you decide to buy it or make it at home, sauerkraut is a versatile ingredient that can add a tangy kick and numerous health benefits to your meals. So go ahead and give it a try. Burp lids, the key to successful fermentation. To fully experience the benefits of fermented sauerkraut, it's important to use the right tools. That's where burp lids comes in. They're revolutionary plastic curing kits, vacuum-sealed lids, and extraction pumps provide faster and more efficient curing, eliminating the need for daily burping of mason jar lids. With burp lids, you can achieve a successful cure and enjoy the full potential of your fermented sauerkraut. If you're interested in exploring the world of fermentation and reaping the benefits of sauerkraut, I encourage you to visit the Burp Lids website. They offer a wide range of products designed for growers and individuals involved in home harvesting and curing processes. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your fermentation game and enjoy the health benefits of sauerkraut. Visit the Burp Lids website today and start your fermentation journey. Craft your health, cultivate your life. Dawn.